Sabihin niyo talaga tamad kami. Yes. Hindi na forgot the ones. Hello. Good morning, guys. Welcome to our vlog for today. Hello, good morning, online aunties, online titos. Tingnan yung mga buhok namin, guys, hindi pa nasuklay. Kasi kagigising lang namin, guys. Oo. Sabihin nyo talaga tamad kami. Yes, time is very... Yan ang oras, guys. 21 past 9 ng umaga. Kasi nga, guys, today is Sunday. So, kapag sa weekend talaga, guys, kapag walang pasok, talagang nalilate kami ng gising ng mga bata. Kasi yun na yung pahinga namin, guys, para sa all of the week na mga gising namin morning. Di ba, maaga kami nagising 6:30 para mag-prepare para sa school. So, yan yung mga bonus namin dito sa bahay. Pag weekend, okay lang malate sa pagising. Basta, makarest kami, ganun. So, kaya, ganun, guys. Are you okay? What's acting like you very near?
It's a cat. Cat. Done.
You forgot the wipes. Can you give me the wipes, please? Yan ang wipes, my love. Ay, you're playing the plastic island. Wipes, please. Yan, my love. Wipes. The wipes?
What?
No, over there. Wipes for Isla.
You opened.
No, give it to me. That's fine. This is still wet. No, it's dry. Give me the plastic. I saw the plastic there. Yeah, that one.
The one?
Yeah.
The one open.
It's okay. I think the one is finished. It's open. Thank you, Kuya Christian. Thank you, Kuya. Yan go, Iri.
Oh, you tell off.
Let's have breakfast na Ayla.
And you
Ay, plastic. Tingnan na.
know the tool.